Imagine a place where your passion for helping others meets a world-class curriculum. At Aspire Counselling Academy, we offer unique benefits tailored for aspiring counselors. Our comprehensive courses are designed to equip you with the skills needed to transform lives. Hear from our successful graduates who have turned their dreams into reality. With Aspire, they've not only gained knowledge, but also the confidence to make a difference. Join a community where your growth is our priority. Becoming a qualified counselor is a journey, and Aspire is with you every step of the way. From foundational courses to advanced training, we provide the support and resources you need to succeed. Our academy offers industry-recognized qualification that are second to none. Gain hands-on experience and learn from seasoned professionals who are eager to share their expertise with you. Meet our alumni who have achieved their dreams through Aspire. Their stories of growth, learning, and career success are a testament to the transformative power of our training. Aspire's training has impacted countless professional lives. Our graduates have gone on to make significant contributions in their communities using the skills and knowledge gained from our academy. Recap the benefits of choosing Aspire for your counseling journey. By becoming a qualified counselor, you can make a profound impact on your life and the lives of others. Take action today. Enroll at Aspire and start your journey towards a fulfilling counseling career. Together, let's make a difference, one life at a time.